Why would someone choose to cheat? Is it a lack of love, a thrill-seeking behavior, or something deeper? Cheating in relationships has always been a controversial topic, often viewed solely from the lens of betrayal and heartbreak. But what about the cheater's perspective? Understanding the mindset of someone who cheats can provide not only insights into their actions, but also offer a pathway to healing, both for them and the ones they've hurt. The psychology behind cheating. Cheating is rarely a simple act of rebellion or disinterest. It's often rooted in complex psychological and emotional dynamics. While no excuse can justify betrayal, exploring these motives can shed light on the behaviors behind infidelity. Emotional unfulfillment. Many cheaters report feeling emotionally neglected or unappreciated in their primary relationship. Over time, unresolved issues or lack of emotional connection can lead them to seek validation elsewhere. The affair often serves as a temporary escape from feelings of inadequacy or loneliness. Thrill and novelty. For some, cheating is driven by the excitement of the forbidden. The secrecy and adrenaline rush of an affair can become addictive. This is especially true for individuals who crave novelty and find it challenging to maintain interest in long-term commitments. Personal insecurities. Deep-seated insecurities can push individuals to seek constant affirmation. Cheating might stem from a need to feel desirable or worthy, even if it comes at the expense of their partner's trust. Avoidance of conflict. Instead of addressing dissatisfaction or problems in their relationship, some individuals turn to infidelity as a way to avoid difficult conversations. It's a coping mechanism to escape confrontation and unresolved tensions. Opportunity and temptation. Situational factors, such as being in environments where temptation is high, can play a role. However, opportunity alone doesn't lead to cheating unless paired with underlying vulnerabilities. The impact on both sides. Cheating doesn't just hurt the person betrayed, it also affects the cheater, often in unexpected ways. For the betrayed partner, emotional devastation. Betrayal can lead to feelings of anger, sadness, and confusion. Self-doubt. Many start questioning their worth, attractiveness, or role in the relationship. Trust issues. Recovering from infidelity often involves rebuilding trust, not just in the partner but in relationships as a whole. For the cheater, guilt and shame. Many cheaters experience significant remorse once the reality of their actions sets in. Internal conflict. The divide between their actions and values can lead to identity crises or feelings of unworthiness. Fear of consequences. Cheaters often grapple with anxiety over being discovered and losing their partner or family. How to treat and address. Cheating healing from infidelity requires effort from both parties if they choose to work through it together. Whether it's about rebuilding the relationship or moving forward separately, addressing the root causes is crucial. 1. Accountability and self-reflection. For the cheater, taking full responsibility is the first step. This means no deflecting blame or minimizing the harm caused. Self-reflection can help them understand their motives and triggers, paving the way for personal growth. 2. Open and honest communication. Both partners need a safe space to express their feelings and fears. Transparency is essential to rebuilding trust. While these conversations are painful, they're necessary for closure and understanding. 3. Professional counseling. Seeking the help of a therapist or counselor can provide a neutral ground to navigate the complexities of infidelity. Therapists can help identify patterns, facilitate productive discussions, and offer coping strategies. 4th, setting boundaries. If both partners decide to stay together, establishing clear boundaries is crucial to prevent further breaches of trust. This could include limiting contact with the person involved in the affair or addressing underlying relationship issues. 5. Forgiveness and healing. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning the act of cheating. Instead, it's about releasing the hold of resentment and pain. Healing takes time, and both partners must commit to the process. 6. Personal growth for the cheaters must address the root causes of their actions, whether it's unresolved insecurities, poor coping mechanisms, or fear of commitment. Personal growth is essential to prevent future mistakes. This often involves introspection, therapy, and lifestyle changes. 7. Rebuilding the relationship. If both parties choose to stay together, they must work on rebuilding the foundation of their relationship. This includes rekindling emotional intimacy, working on communication skills, reassessing shared goals and values. Can a relationship survive infidelity? The answer depends on the willingness of both partners to invest in the healing process. While some relationships emerge stronger after infidelity, others may find that separation is the healthier choice. What matters most is mutual respect and an honest evaluation of whether the relationship can truly recover. Moving forward, after cheating. Whether you're the one who cheated or the one who was betrayed, moving forward is essential. Here are steps to consider. Self-care. Focus on your mental and physical well-being. Exercise, meditate, or seek support from trusted friends and family. Learn from the experience. Reflect on what the situation has taught you about yourself and your needs in a relationship. Set clear expectations. If you choose to enter another relationship, ensure you've addressed past issues and communicate openly about your expectations. Embrace growth. Use the experience as an opportunity for personal and emotional growth. Whether it's learning better conflict resolution skills or recognizing unhealthy patterns, growth is key to future happiness. Cheating is a deeply painful experience for everyone involved. While it's easy to vilify cheaters, understanding their perspective can provide valuable insights into the complexities of human behavior. This doesn't mean excusing their actions, but rather addressing the underlying issues to prevent them from recurring. To those who've been betrayed, healing is possible, and to those who've cheated, change is within reach if you're willing to put in the work. If this video has given you a new perspective on the topic, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions and insights. Let's continue the conversation together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.